Welcome back. We have the pleasure to have this phono with Dr. Amani El Sharif, Regional Director of the Association of African Universities and Vice President of Pan-African University. Good afternoon, Dr. Sharif.
Good afternoon.
Well, Dr. Sharif, how do you see Egypt hosting the first African health conference and exhibition as a contribution, showing the contribution of Egypt in the field of medicine and health in Africa?
Actually, I'm very proud, and when I see how the African professors and the colleagues across Africa, how they are astonished by everything, actually, the organizations, the international speakers, the exhibition with different and varieties of factories and companies. Actually, I'm very proud because Egypt right now is leading the reform of medical healthcare in all Africa.
Yes, could you comment on the main themes and the main aim of this conference?
Yes, actually the conference and or the XCon, because it's the exhibition and the conference, so it's the XCon, is one of its kind. Its theme is the gates of innovation and trade. So people who would like to know more about what is the innovation in the healthcare field, they can find it here. People who would like to find the updates in the equipment and the facilities of healthcare, they can find it here, and they can start to agree with companies for trading. So everything related to healthcare is found here, and this is the amazing point about it, because after COVID-19 pandemic, Africa needs support in the field of medical healthcare, and Egypt takes the first step and takes the quantum leap in that field. And yes. I'm so happy and proud of course.
Yes, yes. Dr. Sharif, how many countries are participating in this conference? And could you name some of the most important countries that are participating?
Actually, I don't know the number, but I know that we have presidents of universities from Senegal, from Nigeria, from Ghana, from Sub-Saharan Africa, from East Africa, from Kenya, from Sudan, from Ethiopia. I think most of African continents, besides Middle East countries, besides some international from Europe and United States speakers and the companies also are attending. So I think it's difficult to enumerate the countries representing or participating in this event.
Yes, Doctor, how did you read the speech by President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi that he mentioned several points? Of course, he pointed out Egypt's contribution in the field of medicine and health in Africa. Also, he announced some initiatives. Also, he commented concerning the initiative of hepatitis C and many points, important points that the President have mentioned.
Actually, it was very deep and very scientific, and I was wondering how he can collect all in his mind all this data about this very specific scientific field, and this is why I'm so proud, because Egypt right now is ready to be the candidate for to launch is a new industry, a new medicines and pharmaceutical industry all over Africa based on the natural medicine, and this is what the world needs to avoid the side effects of regular chemical medicines, especially after the immune system was tested during COVID-19 pandemic, and most of the population all over the world suffered from compressed and suppressed immune system. So yes. Africa is the future for natural remedies for all the world, for all the globe.
Yes, also, Dr. The President also mentioned initiatives that were launched in order to speed up waiting lists that included 1.3 surgeries. And also, the President said that comprehensive health system for all Egyptians have been launched and is being implemented over through phases and steps.
Actually, this is very important because people all over the world would like to know more about our reforming in the healthcare system. And this is very good opportunity and excellent chance to expose what we are doing in Egypt for Egyptian citizens in the field of medicine and healthcare. And some of the Nigerian fellows asked me to know more, to give them the chance to know more about the initiative for Africa free from hepatitis C and to learn how to use this very successful experience and success stories of Egypt in that field.
Yes, also Dr. Sharif, in a recorded speech broadcasted during the conference, World Health Organization chief said that there are relentless efforts to put an end to endemic and chronic disease in Africa, and he mentioned that Egypt has scored many success in hepatitis file and in dealing with virus C. How do you see the importance of mentioning Egypt in this point?
It's very important because we did a record. We did
Yes.
the international record that no country in Africa can achieve what we achieved in this very short period of time, and with the least and the minimum side effects, and with the highest score of 100% recovery. And actually, like what I have heard from one of the international experts today, that medicine and healthcare is a social study. It's not only scientific field of study. It's a social science. And Egypt prove that by supporting hepatitis C patients to become free from hepatitis C and come back to the community and without any stigma for the disease, and to join the journey of production in our new country future.
Yes, also Dr. President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi also during his speech he mentioned spoke about the water file and said that Egypt's water share is still stands at 55 million cubic meters, adding that international standards, programs and schemes are being implemented for water treatment. What's your comment on this?
This is very important because, as you know, and in public health, we also teach that for our students that a lot of waterborne diseases in Africa is very common in Africa, and treatment of water to support the citizen with enough water for the hygiene and for healthy environment is very important, and also for agriculture, for everything actually. And water treatment is one of out of the box approach that Egypt can say loudly that no one can resist Egypt from going forward, even if the share of Nile River water was less. We are also have another plan B and C, and we insist to go forward.
Yes, Dr. Sharif, how does Africa benefit from Egypt's manufacturing and producing vaccines?
Egypt is a role model for African countries. and we have to know that and to feel that and to be proud of that. Egypt is a role model for Africa, not only in the medical field, but in another field. And I think in the near future, there will be a revolution in vaccine technology and the production, and it will be led by Egypt and to support Africa and make vaccine available in very low cost for all diseases, not only for the epidemic.
Yes, I thank you very much for your valuable information. Thank you for joining us over the phone, Dr. Amani Sharif, Regional Director of Association of African Universities, Vice President of Pan African University. Ladies and gentlemen, a short break and I'm going to be back with you.